Did you know that if you could drive your car straight up, you'd reach space in just about an hour? But don't try it, unless your car has really good air conditioning. Now, isn't that a fun way to start our cosmic journey? Welcome, fellow Earthlings, to an exploration of the universe served with a dollop of humor and a sprinkle of surprise. You see, the universe is not just a vast, dark, and mysterious space, it's also a place full of cosmic comedy, where the jokes are as infinite as the galaxies themselves. Speaking of galaxies, did you know there are more of them in the universe than grains of sand on all our beaches? Now that's a lot of sand, or rather a lot of galaxies, but let's not get too carried away. After all, we don't want to end up like our friend the Milky Way, who's on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. Talk about getting too close for comfort, and then there's dark matter, the universe's most elusive character. It's like that friend who never shows up in photos but swears they were at the party. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but scientists assure us it's there, making up a whopping 85% of the universe. Now, if only we could convince it to pay its share of the cosmic rent. But what's a universe without a bit of extraterrestrial excitement? Imagine an alien stopping by Earth for a visit, only to find us all staring at our phones. They'd probably think, oh dear, they've been invaded by tiny glowing rectangles. And as for space travel, it's not all fun and zero-gravity games. Astronauts have to exercise 2 hours a day to keep their muscles from wasting away. Makes your 30-minute workout seem like a piece of cosmic cake, doesn't it? So remember, next time you're stuck in traffic, just imagine that theoretically, you could be in space right now, but who knows? Maybe the aliens have worse traffic jams. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Space Countdown, for more fun facts about the universe and beyond. Here's a fun fact about our planet. It's the only place in the universe where we can confidently say there's life. Unless, of course, the aliens are just really good at hide and seek. Now, what makes Earth such a cosmic oddball? Well, first off, our planet is just the right distance from the sun. Not too hot, not too cold. It's the Goldilocks zone. But instead of porridge, we have oceans, forests, and ice cream trucks. Imagine trying to enjoy a scoop of mint chocolate chip on Mercury. By the time you'd unwrap the cone, you'd be holding a puddle of minty soup. Next up we have water, but not just any water. We're talking about water that can be a solid, liquid, and gas. It's like Earth is throwing a party, and water is the guest that just can't decide what to wear. It's a snowflake, it's a raindrop, it's a cloud. Talk about a fashionista. And let's not forget about our magnetic field. This invisible shield protects us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, we'd be toast. Literally. It's like we're living in a giant cosmic microwave, and the magnetic field is our heat-resistant container. So next time someone tells you that you're not attractive, remind them that you're protected by a force field that's so powerful it keeps the sun's deadly rays at bay. But Earth isn't without its quirks. We have hurricanes that can be seen from space, tectonic plates that can't sit still, and a moon that's slowly drifting away like a bored teenager. And then there's us humans. We're the ones who invented both quantum physics and reality TV. Go figure. So Earth might not be perfect, but hey, it's got liquid water, breathable air, and chocolate. I'd say we've got a pretty good deal. Speaking of aliens, do you ever wonder if there's life out there beyond our blue planet? Or maybe they're wondering the same about us, and they're just too shy to make the first move? It's a question that's been tickling the minds of humans for centuries, like a relentless cosmic itch. We've been scanning the skies, sending out rovers like Mars rover and Voyager, hoping to find something more than just space dust and pretty pictures. Even our most advanced telescopes are like looking for a needle in a cosmic haystack, but who knows, maybe ET is out there right now, trying to phone home. Now let's talk about the habitable zone, the Goldilocks zone, if you will, where conditions are just right for life as we know it. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. But what if aliens are like the rebellious Goldilocks, breaking into other people's planets and eating their porridge? Maybe they're hanging out on some scorching hot planet, sipping molten lava lattes, or perhaps they're chilling on some icy moon, throwing snowball fights with comets. And about those alien encounters, let's face it, we've all seen those sci-fi movies where aliens invade Earth. But let's be real, if aliens can travel light years to get here, don't you think they'd be a bit more sophisticated than just making crop circles and probing cows? Maybe they're more into cosmic opera or interstellar interpretive dance. As for our expectations versus reality of extraterrestrial life, we can't help but imagine aliens as little green men with big eyes. But what if they're just like us, but with better hair? Or maybe they're not biological at all, but super advanced AI living in a digital universe. So while we don't have definitive proof of extraterrestrial life yet, the universe is a pretty big place. Maybe they're just playing hard to get. So we've learned a lot about our universe today, but remember, this is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. It's been a roller coaster ride, hasn't it? We've chuckled at the cosmic comedy, marveled at the cosmic oddball, and pondered over the universe's best-kept secret. We've imagined our Earth as an avant-garde artist, painting the sky with auroras. We've laughed at the idea of a day on Venus being longer than a year. We've even speculated about extraterrestrial life, wondering if we're alone or if there's a cosmic party happening somewhere without us. Our universe is a vast cradle of mysteries, an endless expanse that holds tales of cosmic fireworks and interstellar ballet. It's a place where time and space intertwine, where the laws of physics get a bit tipsy and start dancing around. And remember, the next time you look up at the night sky, don't just think about the vastness of the universe. Also think about this. If an alien in a galaxy far, far away is looking back at you, they're actually seeing Earth as it was millions of years ago. So, in a way, we're all time travelers. Or maybe we're just really late to the cosmic party. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.